Yeah. Hey, what's up everybody? So last time I made a video, which was a while ago, I was in my apartment. Now, in my own house. Now for today's video, I'm really excited about it. I've been watching this guy out of Australia. His YouTube channel is Cutting Edge Engineering. Giant fan, and this dude is a master fabricator, repairman. He works on big earth moving equipment. I've been watching him for about a year and a half now, and he came out with his own welding gloves. And me being a small structural steel fabricator, I really wanted some. Now I didn't get them about a year ago because they sold out very fast, and I was bummed out. So when he did his next drop, I want to say like a month ago, as the day I was recording this video, November 7th, I was like, all right, I had to get on it, had to jump on it. So I ordered myself a pair of his big red CRX Elliott shop gloves. Now I am very excited to try these out because he does some heavy duty stuff and very heat resistant. I mean, let's see, what does these say? Product certification, dexterity level 5. I mean, these things feel awesome. I don't know what material they're out of. Oh, here we go. Soft grain leather palm. Let's see, dynamics cutting. Yeah, I don't know what they're made out of, but they feel awesome. They're super heavy duty. I guess let's fit it on, but oh. So I got these size medium, and they're the gauntlets, so they go up pretty high. Man, these feel great. So I do mostly MIG welding, so I am super excited about these. You know, he's out of Australia, like I said. It took about 2-3 weeks to get here. I'm in Florida, so that's a big trip across the pond. But the gloves were, I think, $35, $30, and then shipping $20, obviously, because it's a long journey. But I am very excited to try these out. I've been wanting them for a while. So shout out to Curtis, because these are awesome. They feel great. Hoping they'll last a while, because I will put them to the use. And then I'll give it maybe a few months, or whenever things start to tear or wear, or if they don't, I'll give you guys another an update on it. But super excited. Man, these feel awesome. Super excited about these gloves. And yeah, big red CRX gloves. If you guys get a chance, buy these. I think they're sold out, not sure. So yeah, hope everyone has a good day. Oh, can't forget, the best thing about receiving a package is the sticker. So thanks guys, just a quick video. Just wanted to share that I finally was able to purchase these gloves. And yeah, thanks. Hope you have a good one.